Alright, we're out here today working on the 03 Tacoma. I've been having a intermittent misfire code along with a cylinder 1 misfire code. I just went ahead and pulled all the spark plugs out. As you can see, 2, 3, and 4 are pretty good. Cylinder 1 has much more, deposits on it and is a browner color. Well, I just went ahead and compression tested cylinder 1, and let me crank it again. I think it leaked down a little bit, but I have about 30 psi in cylinder 1, which is really bad. All right, here goes. We're looking at about 29 psi, which spec for this motor I believe is about 120 to 130. Oh, that's not good. All right, and cylinder 2. What's your guys' guess? Leave it down in the comments below. And it looks like we got about 75 psi in cylinder 2. That is also not good. All right, cylinder 3. We have 95 psi. Also not good. All right, cylinder 4. We have 100 psi. Nice. So cylinder 4 is definitely the best, but might try adjusting the valves, but as far as I'm concerned, this motor is junk. That's too bad. A little bit of background on this motor. The truck currently has 450,000 miles. The previous owner told me that at 250,000 miles he melted an exhaust valve. So this head was swapped at 250,000 miles. The bottom end is all original, 450,000 miles on it. Well, thanks for watching, and tune in next time for more broken junk like this.